Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rajan. Today, I want to give tutorial how to config load balance and failover. So, first of all, we need two ESP and two motherboard. Connect all to that you need some network. For giving us internet. And for client, I use PC. After all, you connect it all, you must to start all. After you start all, let's do the config. First, I want to config the gateway. Wait for a minute and log in it. After that, you give some basic config. This IP address. This is for X is ether 1, for interface is 1, and add again for ESP2. First, I use ether 2. And for client, interface 3, ether 3. And after that, let's config to the ESP. For ESP1, we must to check it. This is connect to internet or no. Use IP DHCP client print is connected, and let's add IP address at address. For communicate with router board, use ether2. For address, interface is ether2. And let's test for ping it. You can communicate, and let's config in ESP2. Check it again. This is connect to internet or no. Is connected. And let's do give some IP address at address 202022 for prefix 24, and interface is ether2. Let's test ping. And yeah, he can connect it. And we must to give IP firewall NAT at chain is SRC NAT, for action is mask squared, and out interface is ether1 because he connect to internet use ether1. Do have same thing in SP1. Percent SRC NAT, or action is unsquared, and out interface is ether1. After that, you must to config in router way. First of all, we must to add IP route. Use IP route add for the DST address is 0000 perfect 0, and for getaway, if you want to load balance, you use to getaway is 20 10 10 10 1, and use comma command for add more getaway 20 20 21, and boom, he success to be load balance. And if you want to give 10 10 is the main route, you can add to double 10 10. For example, like this: IPR set with IPR edit for number is 0 and value name is getaway. Because I have some wrong getaway, so I want to add and use come again to 20 20 22. Boom. IPRPR again. The active static. I forgot for save it. Let's edit again. 0 for value name is getaway. Twenty 20 22 and active static. And yeah, let's give root again in ESP. For the VPC can use internet. Use command IPR add for the DST address is to computer or to the client, and the gateway is the router neighbor is 10 10 10 1. PRPR active static, and in ESP2 IPR at DST address 2020 wrong buat address before for gateway is 2020 21 IP IPRPR again. Boom, active static. And don't forget to give NAT in gateway. And for NAT, you must to grade to NAT for out interface Ether 2 and out interface in Ether 1. So I want to add NAT is right, and out interface Ether 1 plus Ether 2. Let's test in client. So we need to add IP for gateway. Let's test ping for the gateway. He can communicate. So let's ping to 8 point. He can get, and let's test in trace. He used 2022 and he will connect to 10 10 to 2022. I have some because the gateway first is 22, so he priority 2022. And yeah, and how you will fell over, you just made two routes but have different distance. And how to configure it, you just use command IPR at TST address 0000 perfect 0. Gateway is because I want to 10 is main root, so I use main root is. Oh, I want to remove, and for the secondary root is ESP2. Use IP root at the STRS 000 week 0 way 2020 22 and distance is 2. The main root is SP1 and the secondary root is 2020. And for example, for the test, let's test in VPC. Use trace 8.8.8.8. It will use 10 too. Maybe that's all just for me. Sorry I have mistake and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.